turning 25. 25 minutes to do my makeup to take my new driver's license photo. So why not just make it even more chaotic and film it together? There's a lot of questions I have for myself about turning 25. And one of them being, can you get your life together, please? I don't know if you're the same way, if we're approximately the same age, but I feel like I grew up severely on Disney movies, and I had this idea that I was gonna be married with 5 kids by 25, you know? It's just not how life is working. Nor is it how I want it to work, honestly. At this point, I can say that for certain. I am taking care of myself and my pets, but kids right now would be a lot. My goal with this photo is obviously to look way cuter than my last photo. Not that the last one wasn't good, but I feel like I've just grown up so much and my face has changed, and you guys know the drill. I was gonna do cream contour, but I just feel like we don't have time for that. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I woke up this morning, my alarm went off. I did press snooze. I saw there's a new Huda Beauty baking powder. It's like super pink. And I always use Cupcake, which is the pink, original pink one they had. So I feel like I would maybe be into this scenario. Might have to pick it up and try it. Let me know if you guys have tried it before. Yeah, I won't say I've had a complete quarter life crisis. I will say I've been processing things, you know? Just processing things, realizing things. Sometimes I think I can really get in my head about, oh, I should be further along than I am in terms of like life, a career, a house, blah blah blah. I don't know if you guys remember, but I do live in a condo that I bought after college. Sometimes I think there's just a lot of pressure out there with like sometimes social media, sometimes just society in general. Some of the stuff that keeps me up at night, not all the time, that's being a little dramatic, but some of the things, by the way, just going in with this contour palette, I'm not even really telling you guys what I'm doing, but maybe this is more of a like chat about life video. But I start thinking to myself, oh my god, like I'm gonna be this old. Oh, we got a text. Well, it's actually a Voxer. I start thinking, oh my god, I am gonna be 25. My parents are this old. And if I have kids by this age, then my kids will be this age when my parents theoretically die. By the way, guys, my hair is wet and in a bun, and we're moderately in shambles right now, but it's okay. We're gonna get it together, honey. Just get really in my head like, oh my gosh, if I'm this by this age, I'll have this many years with my parents, blah, blah. I'm sure it's not like the healthiest way to think about your life. If you're around my age and you have similar thoughts and feelings, let me know in the comments. I don't even know why a driver's license photo is like really matters that much, because if you think about it, the only people who really use it is like the police or the government. And it's like, why do I care? But you know what? We're here. You know, there's a lot of things in life that I feel like I should have more knowledge about, because I'm gonna be 25, like taxes, for example. I just use TurboTax and it works great, but do I even still understand what's going on? Not 1000%, no. Would I like to? Yes. It's actually supposed to be such a nice date today in Michigan. Guys, I have a little dry patch of skin that I think I went a little hard on with my acne patches, but it's fine. I love that audio clip that's all over TikTok now. I'm pretty sure it's from 90 Day Fiancé, where she's like, I will get a sugar daddy of all sugar daddies, not some lonely loser from Michigan. Something like that. I know summer is going to be here so soon, so that is exciting. I think what's not exciting is like my boyfriend will be gone for work during the summer, so I'm a little sad about that. But it will be good because I will visit him and it'll be nice to travel and blah blah blah. Ooh, this is so pretty. I've never mixed these colors together before, but I actually really like it. This is like the kind of satin shimmers out of the Patrick top. I feel like I need to zoom you in for this part. Boxy Lash sent me over a ton of lashes. These that I'm about to use actually came out of this kit. So they have their magnetic lashes, and they also have, these are called Lashies. They are a nano grip technology, which means no glue, only liner. They have a clear liner and a black liner, which I want to use black for this. Ever since I got these, I've been wearing them nonstop. These are the little baby lash. They're already a pre-cut half lash, like how perfect. So I'm actually gonna apply the liner, and this is not a sponsored video. I just genuinely have been trying out the products and using them and loving them. So let me show you guys the literal magic of this. So this is the Lashy liner, and we're just gonna do a little. So liner is on. I only took the liner to like halfway, and then I went in with a little brown eyeshadow to kind of complete the top of my eye. So now you guys get to watch the magic of these little lashes. They have nothing on them, no glue. They're just gonna literally go on my eye. I'm telling you, it's like insane how easy it is. What the heck? Here's my other one. Wow. I've definitely been doing my makeup for the full 25 minutes, so thankfully we're almost done, and I do have some extra time. I was just trying to like really be early, but honestly I don't think they would take me that early anyway. I do really like the eye makeup so far. Now we just gotta get the rest of our face together. Let's take a little blush mixture from this. I'm sure I can move that mirror out of your way now. Very nice. I really want to use my Nikita Dragon powder. The pink one at the top. Oh, I think it's Dragon Beauty, not Nikita Dragon, but you guys know what I mean. Vive highlight in Holy Chic, of course. I just feel like in the photo itself, this will make a little bit of a difference. For lip combo, I'm going to use MAC lip liner and Hoover, and then I'm going to mix that with Morphe Sweet Tea, which is just a nice pink and a brown pretty much. For lipstick, I'm going to use Huda Beauty cream lipstick in Angel. It's this beautiful, beautiful pinky nude. Just in the center of the bottom. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this lip combo, you guys. How pretty. Okay, this turned out so pretty. My face is drying still, but I'm gonna go do my hair and then I'll come back and show you guys my face before we go. Okay, I'm back. Guys, how perfect are we looking for this ID photo moment? I've been practicing my faces. I think I'm gonna do, yeah. Anyway, guys, happy almost 25th birthday to me. I cannot believe I'm almost 25. It's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes doing stuff like this gives me anxiety. Like, the idea, I'm like, I don't know where to go in the office and like what to do, and I don't know. It's a lot of adulting going on today, but nonetheless, I had a lot of fun sitting down and filming this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you can relate. I know some of you guys are the same age as me. I am literally obsessed with these lashes, you guys. I'm telling you. Again, not sponsored. I should probably ask them if I can get a discount code for you guys. But they are just so quick and easy and like fabulous. So anyway, I gotta go get this picture taken. I will obviously show you guys how it looks. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.